Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change narration speed on Audible application using your mobile device. Adjusting the narration speed in Audible allows you to listen more slowly or more quickly than the default pace. This can help with comprehension or save time, so make sure you watch till the end of the video. First of all, launch open the Audible application on your device and make sure that you're logged in. Once you're inside the home page of Audible, go ahead and click on any titles to begin playing it. I'm just gonna play a random Audible audiobook here. After you open up an audiobook from the preview screen, go ahead and preview the audio by tapping preview. After you start playing the audiobook, go to the top right corner and tap on the three dots. In the pop-up, click on Player Settings. After you open up Player Settings, scroll all the way down until you see the Narration Speed button and tap on it. Now, you can go ahead and adjust the speed for your audiobook. Go ahead and drag the little slider, and in order to increase the playback speed, drag the yellow dot towards the right corner. If you want to slow down the playback, you can just drag it towards the left hand side. You can also choose the options at the bottom of the screen in order to play your audiobook slower or faster. And after making your adjustment, you can get back to the playhead and tap on the play button to see if that makes any kind of a difference. So that way, you can easily select the speed that works for you on Audible. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.